How to use a defibrillator, a life-saving guide. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to discuss an incredibly important topic that could help you save lives: how to use a defibrillator. Knowing this can make a huge difference in emergency situations, so let's dive into the details together. A defibrillator is a device designed to deliver an electric shock to a person's heart when they are experiencing certain types of cardiac arrest. This shock can help the heart to restart its normal rhythm. In simple terms, it's a life-saving machine used in critical situations to bring someone's heart back to a normal beat. There are mainly two types of defibrillators: automated external defibrillators, AEDs, and manual defibrillators. AEDs are designed for public use and can be found in places like airports, shopping centers, and schools. They provide voice instructions to guide you through the process. Manual defibrillators are used by healthcare professionals and require specific training to operate. It's crucial to know when a defibrillator should be used. If someone is unresponsive and not breathing normally, they may be experiencing cardiac arrest. In these cases, calling emergency services immediately and starting CPR are your first steps. If an AED is available, it should be used as soon as possible until professional help arrives. Using an AED might seem intimidating, but it's designed to be user-friendly. Here are the basic steps. 1. Turn on the AED and follow the voice prompts. 2. Expose the person's chest and attach the AED pads as indicated by the diagrams on the pads. 3. Stand clear when the AED analyzes the heart's rhythm and prepares to deliver a shock if needed. 4. Press the shock button if the AED indicates a shock is necessary. If CPR is needed, the AED will instruct you to continue CPR until emergency services arrive. Never use a defibrillator on someone who is conscious or breathing normally. Do not touch the person while the AED is analyzing or delivering a shock. Follow all instructions given by the AED or emergency responders. We hope this video helps you understand how to use a defibrillator and the importance of quick action in emergency situations. Remember, having the knowledge and confidence to use an AED can save a life. Thank you for watching, and please stay safe.